sodium. It's also highly reactive to air and water, so we also gotta keep it loyal too. The cool thing about strontium is it burns a bright red color, which means that we can go to the dark.
Show me again the power of the darkness, and I will let nothing stand in our way.
I don't fear you.
Then you will die braver than most.